Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over on our 2016 Mazda 3 how you would replace this outer taillight assembly. First you're going to pop the trunk and then you're going to come around in here. So back here in the trunk there's a couple push pins to remove. There's one that goes right here and there's one up here, and I believe that's it. And then you can pull this panel, this fabric out and down and get access to the back here. So back here we've got 1, 2, 3 nuts to be removed, or screws, and these are size number 10. So we've got those pre-loosened, and then we have some electrics to unhook. One there, and one there. So, with the 3 bolts removed from the back, this is where you just kind of pull on it and pull it out, and then just kind of pull, and you're going to keep applying pressure. There's that adhesive sealant back there that's holding this in, keeps the water, moisture out of your vehicle, and then that's when, and you just got to kind of get that to break free. And this is that material, and see, it kind of gets a nice stickiness there, right? And so you always feel like you're gonna break it, but we've got a little groove, but you gotta just, you feel like you're gonna break it, but you just gotta keep some pressure on it and keep pulling it back and pull it basically straight back towards you. You don't want to keep prying out this way because we've got this groove here that we don't want to break, and it's got this little clamp here that holds it in, and also this tab here is where this slides into to keep it all aligned. So when you've got your new one, because this one was broken, or you were changing it out because you want a different look. All right, so I cleaned off that, put a new sticky piece here, and then this, you just gotta peel the cover piece off, and then so that it'll adhere to the car and be a better fit. That's what was on here initially. It's a double-sided type tape. And so just get it, slide in the groove there, a hole on this side, push it back, and make sure it adheres in there. Now looks like factory finish. All right. And you'll just put your 3 bolts on the back side. We put our 3 nuts on the back. Make sure everything is still into place. I like to pull the light. Toward me and tie it up against it to be able to tighten it. Then hook our electrics back up, and then to finalize it, put this cloth back up. The only thing is this cloth goes behind this plastic just to have a better finish. And then there's 2 push pins. All right, so with those two push pins into place, we're good to go. And that's how you replace your outside tail light assembly. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.